pastry chef from France once told me, if you press the puff pastry dough with an egg carton, then prick the dough with a fork, brush it lightly with cold water, and sprinkle a little sugar on top for that sweet, crispy finish. Now cover the egg carton with the dough and press small indentations with your fingers. Bake it for about 30 minutes until the pastry turns golden and flaky. Once it cools, place the pastry base into a springform pan. Pour liquid whipping cream into a bowl, add powdered sugar, and whip it until you get a smooth, firm cream. Spread a thick layer over the pastry and chill it for 30 minutes. Now add frozen berries to a saucepan with sugar and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Stir in starch dissolved in cold water and let it boil gently for 10 minutes until it becomes thick and glossy. Let the jam cool for 1 hour. Now spread the jam over the chilled cream, refrigerate for 30 minutes, add another layer of cream, chill again, then finish with one more layer of jam. Finally, sprinkle the edges with crunchy puff pastry crumbs and decorate the top with small squares of baked dough. And once you taste that flaky pastry with the cold cream and tangy berries, you'll never make crispy puff pastry berry cake any other way.